Hi, if sound is not working on your Windows 11 PC, no audio, no speaker sound, or headphones not working, don't worry. In this video, I will show you real and working solutions step by step. Before jumping to the tutorial, I request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. This is how you can support us. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. Fix number 1. Check volume and output device. In most time, we forget to check the sound level here. Click on the sound icon and make sure volume is not muted. Click on the icon and select the volume level. Many times, Windows switches output automatically. Fix number 2. Run audio troubleshooter. Go to the Windows search bar and search for settings. Open the settings app. Select system. Scroll down and find troubleshoot. Click on that. Select other troubleshooters, find audio menu, hit on the run button. This will automatically fixes your issues. So once you fixed, close the all windows and restart your system. Fix number 3. Restart audio services. It's very important. Go to the Windows search bar and search for run. Open the run app. Here you have to type services.msc. Click on OK. A services window will appear. Here you need to find Windows Audio option. Here it is. Right click on that, then select Restart. So once you restart it, again search for Windows Audio Endpoints Builder. The next one, here it is. Right click on that, then select Restart. So once you restart the both services, close the window and check whether you able to listen the audio or not. Fix number 4. Set speakers as default device. Right click on the Windows Start icon, then select settings. Select system, then sound. Scroll down. Under the advanced tab, find more sound settings. Click on that. Then under playback tab, right click on the available speaker and make it as default. As I already done this, the default option is not showing. If I select the another speaker, you can select set as default device. So select the right speaker and set as default. Finally say OK. Then close the windows and check whether you are able to listen the sound. Fix number 5. Update or reinstall audio drivers, which is advanced. Go to the Windows search bar and search for Device Manager. Open that. Scroll down and find Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Click on the arrowhead to expand. Select the audio driver, right click and select Update Driver. To continue, you have to select Search automatically for drivers and make sure you have connected with internet. So once you're done, close the windows. So if it is not worked, right click on the same audio driver and select uninstall device and restart your PC. And don't worry, once you restart your PC, the driver automatically reinstalls for you. Fix number 6. Check Windows Update problems. Go to the search bar and search for Windows Updates. Click on the Windows Update settings and install any pending updates and restart your system, or click uninstall updates if the issue started after update. And that's it guys. Check your headphone jack or Bluetooth connections. Try another speaker or a headphone to confirm hardware. Play any YouTube video or system sound and make sure the problem is solved. And your Windows 11 sound should now be working. If this video helped, like and subscribe to Fixsage for real Windows fixes. Comment below if your sound is still not working. I will help you. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.